Hello. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to terminate to 3mm cable. First, install your back boot. And your heat shrink tube. You want to slit your jacket to about 5 inches. Cut the excess off. Load into your 2.5 holder. Placing the Kevlar into the lock mechanism here. Trim back your fiber to about 25mm. Strip. Clean your fiber. Cleave. Trim back your Kevlar. Place inside your splicer. Prepare your connector. Clean. Cleave. Place your connector inside your splicer. Once complete, open your wind cover. Let your tensile test run. Once it comes back to the main screen, make sure your heater mode is on the proper connector and 30. Remove your connector. Bring your shrink tube up. Turn your oven on. When your oven is turned off, remove your connector, place it into your cooling tray, let sit for 10 seconds. When that's complete, bring your shell up. Push on. Your connector is complete. Thank you.